Here we're being asked 17 is what percent of 37? And we have two ways we can do that. Method one is just to say that the percent is the part over the whole. And in this situation, the part is 17 and the whole is 37. So putting that in the calculator, 17 divided by 37 comes out to 0.4595. So let's just say 0.4595 for now. Now to go from decimal to percent form, you take that decimal and you move it 2 spaces over to the right. So it's 45.95. And that's 45.95%. And if we're doing it to the nearest tenth, then the 5 is actually, let's go ahead and backtrack a little, because it was 0.459459. So it's kind of a bar notation thing. Moving that decimal 2 spaces over again, it's 45.9459, and it continues from there. And that's the amount of percent. So now to the nearest tenth, that would actually be 45.9%. So now taking it to method two, that's the idea of just writing an equation that matches what they said. And so we would say, well, 17 is what percent of 37? And now we can go ahead and realize that 37 is really itself over 1, because any number is itself over 1. And so multiply on the right-hand side, and that's 17 equals 37x over 100. And now to get x by itself, we can multiply by the reciprocal, 100 over 37. So to get rid of a fraction, you can multiply by the opposite fraction, 100 over 37 right there. Now throwing that into the calculator, you've got 100 times 17, and then divide that by 37. And what do you get? Of course, you get 45.9459, but to the nearest tenth, that's going to be 45.9, and that's our answer.